1996 Yamaha 2-stroke outboard, 115 horse. Brand new sleeves. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit of grease on this to install that bearing. The area where I want to tap into. And I'm gonna still use this for weight. There it is. Now for the second bearing, put this in the correct orientation. That should be more than enough. The ring that keeps that 2-half bearing together. Now I'm going to replace the front bearing that goes right there. Tapered side goes in first. I'm going to give it 4 locks. Okay? 1, 2, 3. See, right there. Right there at my finger, that's 1 lock. Perfect.